After living in the new space for a while and determining where we spent most of our time, we decided we would change the combination of the living room and the kitchen, the great room, if you will. If we had our way, we would change how this room functioned, one end to the other. It was kind of broken up and complicated. We found it to be awkward to do things with everybody in the room. They came in with some technology that will measure the entire room. They essentially had a really nice fingerprint of what the room and the space looked like. For me, that was one of kind of the first indications that we were using a firm that was a little bit ahead of everybody else. It was quite amazing to see the transformation. And it was all done in a way that we always felt like we were in control of the project. In our two previous houses, we had similar kinds of projects. In the past, it was, I would say, more than 50% of our responsibility to solve the problem. Clark, in a very clever way, kind of said, these are all the steps that we would have to go through. They did some diagrams to kind of walk us through how that would work. This side was much more collaborative and actually generated a lot more ideas for us that eventually we would incorporate into the design.